How does a good citizen act? Our vocabulary for today: Lesson 1 is rule, Lesson 2, citizenship, and Lesson 3 is character. Famous people. Ruby Bridges Hall. She was a brave girl. Ruby Bridges was born in Tylertown, Mississippi. When she was 6 years old and in the first grade, Ruby was one of the first African American children to integrate public schools. As an adult, she established the Ruby Bridges Educational Foundation to help students and schools in need. Johnny Appleseed. He lived long ago, 1774 to 1845. And I forgot to say over here for Ruby Bridges, she was born in 1954. So Johnny Appleseed planted many apple orchards. John Chapman was born in Leominster, Massachusetts. He traveled in the East planting apple seeds and saplings and was known by the name Johnny Appleseed. Many of these apple trees were spread to the western states. So you're going to need to get your social studies folder, the blue one. And we did a couple pages already, so we're going to open to this page right here. Who are good citizens? So let's do our vocabulary review first over there. So citizens are people. Looks like they have their hands over their heart. It looks like maybe they're doing the flag salute. Henry is learning about being a good citizen from a story. A citizen is a member of a country. What do good citizens do? So we're going to open to this page, and you have 2 books here. Stories tell about people. These people helped our country. They showed us how to be good citizens. So this book was, and the first one is Honest Abe. And we watched a little information about him already. And Abraham Lincoln loved his country. He was one of the presidents of the United States. And here is a book called The Story of Ruby Bridges. And Ruby Bridges was a brave girl. So what I'm going to have you do is go ahead and circle one of these books. Which one? Which of these books would you like to learn more about or to read more about? So you can just circle whichever one you would like. Either one is good. A big circle around one of those books. And then today, this is going to be the attachment that you're going to be working on. Who are good citizens? So Betsy Ross loved her country. Her country was the United States. Some people say she made the first flag for her country. And so here you can draw a picture of someone that we just learned about, Abraham Lincoln, Betsy Ross, Ruby Bridges, just someone that is famous. And you're going to draw them maybe sitting in that chair. And then you can write their name. And it says blank was patriotic. And then you can submit it on Seesaw.